Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and app readiness. Plug the Monster LED controller into a stable outlet and confirm lights respond to power. If they flicker, fix power first. Open the official app and enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on your phone, then grant any necessary permissions. Once done, position yourself close to the controller, 1 to 2 meters, and prepare to use the controller's pairing or reset button. This action-focused start gets you into pairing right away without wasting time on obvious setup. Next, you pair and configure the zones. Tap Add Device in the app and select the Monster LED controller or the specific chipset. If the app asks, choose 4 GHz Wi-Fi rather than 5 GHz for compatibility. Press the controller's pairing/reset button until LEDs flash, then let the app discover it. Once connected, assign zones, set initial brightness, and pick base colors. This prevents inconsistent scenes later. Make sure to save the profile and sync it to the controller so the hardware remembers your configuration. Finally, you finalize and verify the sync. Save your scenes, run a full sequence across all zones, and cycle power to confirm settings persist. If things go wrong, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 6 to 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears stale configs. Also make sure both the app and controller firmware are up to date, because mismatched firmware often blocks reliable syncing. If troubleshooting continues, try a different phone or router band to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.